You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. Not every problematic item is strictly prohibited. Some are technically allowed, but frequently cause delays. Let's talk about those gray area items. Liquids and open containers are a common issue. Even non-hazardous liquids like shampoo, cleaning products, or pantry goods can leak during transit. Leaks can damage surrounding cartons and raise inspection questions. Partially used household chemicals are another overlooked category. Candles, cleaning agents, garage fluids, and miscellaneous open containers increase the likelihood of scrutiny during custom reviews. And then there are high-value personal items. Passports, legal documents, financial records, and valuable jewelry should never be placed inside your shipment. International freight can take weeks to arrive. Accessing essential documents mid-transit is not possible. These items should travel with you personally. Packing strategically is about reducing unnecessary inspection triggers. If you're unsure about an item, ask before packing day. Visit our website, or it's even easier, give us a call. It's always easier to clarify rules in advance than to resolve custom complications later.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.